Today we're diving into a topic that's creating quite a buzz in British Columbia, the secondary suite incentive. Starting May 2nd, 2024, homeowners in most BC municipalities and regional districts can apply to the program through BC Housing Secondary Suite website. I'll put a link below. The program will offer forgivable loans as much as 50% of the total cost of renovations, up to a maximum of $40,000 to add a secondary suite or accessory dwelling unit on the property of the primary residence. Now, for the loan to be forgiven, the homeowner must continue to live in the home, and the suite must be rented out below market rates for at least 5 years. The aim of this program is to increase affordable housing options, specifically in cities where rental spaces are high in demand. By offering financial incentives, the government hopes to motivate more homeowners to add these units. In addition to this program, if you are renovating a suite for a parent or grandparent over the age of 65, I encourage you to watch my other video on multi-general home renovation tax credit. It's a separate program and worth learning about. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more business and tax tips. Also, leave a comment if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in the future.